I'm Zach Parmiter with Golden Eagle Log and Timber Homes. Our website features over 1,200 floor plans and pricing, and today we'll be discussing the tools that you can use to help navigate through them all and find the perfect home for you. Keep in mind that you can customize any of these floor plans or use our design services to create your own unique home. You can begin by going to the plans and pricing page on the website, and you'll see that we have a predefined list of square footages. If you know you want roughly a 2,000 square foot home, then you would click on the range that would filter all of the floor plans within that size. Or if you happen to know that you want a lofted home or a ranch style home, if you want a certain amount of bedrooms and bathrooms, then you can go over to our filtered floor plan search. When you're there, you can enter your square footage range, the amount of bedrooms and bathrooms, and the style of the home. One of my favorite ways to search is based on the turnkey budget range. So this is based on what the home will probably cost, and it is reflective of the national building average. You would also need to add in the cost of your land and septic and well. Those are all costs that are unknown to us at this time. Let's say you want to build a home for $600,000. You select that turnkey range, and now I'm given the result of all of my options. When you scroll through this page, you'll see that we have many different floor plans, and we already show you the square footage and how many bedrooms and bathrooms are in the home. Let's scroll down and click on the South Carolina 2310 AR. We show exterior elevations as well as the floor plan layouts. You'll see that this is a ranch style home, but if you wanted to add a loft in there, you could easily do that. Or if you're looking at a lofted home, you could always remove that loft and make it a ranch style. The foundation is always figured as a full basement, but you could of course build it on a crawl space or a slab. If you wanted to finish off the lower level, then you could do that as well. When you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see how that impacts the amount of bedrooms and bathrooms in the house. So this floor plan in particular would go from 2 to 3 bedrooms and then from 2 to 3 bathrooms. And when you scroll down even further, you'll see that there are floor plans similar to the one that you're looking at. All of our featured floor plans have package costs associated with them. Those all change depending on the type of package that you'd like to buy. We have complete materials packages, shell plus packages, and then it also changes depending on the style of home that you're looking to build. Whether it is a full log home, a half log home, a timber frame home, or even an ultra custom timber home. We have over 5,000 homes throughout the United States and Canada, and we've been doing this for well over 50 years. We have a really good idea on what it would cost to build in your area. So please give us a call and we can help answer any questions that you may have.